Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about the word meaning phagy and vorus. Phagy means feeding on something and vorus means eating. As we can see, the human is eating the human flesh. They are known as anthropophagus. These are the few examples have been given in the next slide. Let us see what we have. Initially, we can see this allotrophagy. Allotrophagy means craving for strange foods. There are people who are interested in having the strange food. They are known as allotrophagy. Allotrophagy. Next we have androphagy. That means cannibalism. So who is again as a cannibal who wants to have the human flesh. The same thing anthropophagus, which means he is ready to feed on humans. Next we have aphagia, that is the inability to eat or swallow. Who has this problem? That is aphagia. Autocoprophagy, here feeding on one's own faces. That is known as autocoprophagy. Next we have feeding on body's own tissues. Who has more interested in feeding on body's own tissues? That is autophagy. One who devours books, he is bibliophagist. Next we have the person has who feeds on fruit only. They are known as carpophagus. And the one which feeds on dirt, they are known as cnophagia. Example, we can see the pigs and all, they are all comes under this. Next we have the feeding on faces, that is coprophagus. And pathological difficulty in swallowing, that is dysphagia. And feeding on insects, that is known as insect means ento. So here entomophagus is the one which feeding on insects. Leaves eating folios of books, that is foliophagus, which is dependent on this. The one which feeds on soil and dirt eating, that is geophagy. Using the tongue, that is glossophagine. So which with the help of this tongue which is eaten, that is glossophagine. The feeding on horses, that is hippophagy. As you can see here, what the woods whatever has been given, so you can directly go through wood. Here feeding, whatever the questions have been given, that is feeding and eating. So this is everything whatever has been given. Please remember with the as per feeding and eating. Here whatever the horses, the flesh of the horse, as you can see to the right, how exactly it looks like. If you eat the pork, that is pig, that is pork. As you can see, whoever is interested in having the horse's flesh, that is hippophagy. Now who is interested in having wood, as you can see, wood is also one type of fruit of which feed on the wood. They are known as hylophagous. Next we have who is too much of feeding, then hyperphagia, where they consume maximum. Next you have consuming and feeding on fish, that is ichthyophagus. And feeding on rocks, that is lithophagus. And lotuses, they are known as lotophagus. Wool or fleece, that is known as malophagus. Opium or heroin, that is mechanophagous. Which feeds on honey, that is melliphagus. Here we have small creatures or plants, the one which depends on small creatures or plants, that is microphagus. Only one type of food, that is monophagus. The raw flesh as a ritual observance, that is known as homophagy. As you can see, the one melliphagus example, this is the one which are dependent on the honey of the flower that will be sucked by these melliphagus birds. Now we have the one which are feeding on nail, that is onychophagist. And the one which are dependent and feeding on snakes, as you can see the snake eats snakes, they are known as ophiphagus. Trace of ice to help offset iron deficiency, that is known as pedophase. Please remember this. What is pedophase? The trace of ice to help offset iron deficiency. Next we have one which feeds on everything whatever it has, pantophagy, and one who feeds leaf, that is known as phylophagus, and vegetable matter, that is known as phytophagus. The one which dependent on grass or herbs, that is herbivorous. Herbivorous is also known as poipophagus. The chewing of food is known as poultrophagy. The many types of food feeding is known as polyphagus. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers in the different segregated manner. Next we have somophagy, that is swallowing food without through chewing is known as somophagy, and feeding on the roots, that is known as rhizophagus. As we can see, the flesh and carnivorous, as it is carnivorous, that is also known as saprophagus, which are dependent on the flesh or meat. The lizards, which are the feeding on the lizards, they are known as saurophagus. The feeding on the cow dung, that is scatophagus. As you can see, sacramental consumption of God, that is theophagy. As you can see, feeding on poison, that is poison, it is not position, feeding on poison, toxicophagus. Feeding on dry food, that is known as xerophagy. As you can see, the dry fruits are consumed, that is xerophagy. Wood, the feeding on wood, they are known as xylophagus. The feeding is on animals is known as zoophagy. Next we have vorous or eating. So remember this, they are very important. Apivorous means they are bees or one type of apivorous. Archnivorous means the spiders are example. As we can see exactly how exactly this vorous, they are one type of archnivorous. And the one with the berries, that is known as Baxivorous. And the frog, they are Batrachivorous. And the one who is dependent feeds on flesh, that they are known as Carnivorous. And they are feeding on onions, they are known as Scipivorous. Again, consuming by fire, they are known as Camburivorous. Horse flesh, they are known as Equivorous. And who are on the ants, that is ant eater, that is known as Formivorous type of animal. Next we have the fruit and frugivorous. We are all frugivorous, as well as the few animals are fructivorous animals. And the one which depends on seaweed, they are fusivorous. And the cow, that is grass and cereals, that is graminivorous. The one dependence on tree saps, they are known as granivorous. The only plant matter, omnivorous, that is humans, who is dependent on and feeds on humans, that is omnivorous. Insects, as you can see, insectivorous, which one? The one which is feeds on insects, that is insectivorous. Larvivorous means the one with the which feed on larvae, that as you can see, the gambusia fish, which is very important in mosquitoes larva. So that is one type of larvivorous, gambusia fish. The one which feeds on wood, they are known as lignivorous. Next we have limivorous, means mud. So whoever is feeding on mud, that is earthworm, is one type of liminivorous type of organism. Next we have the one with the which feeds on honey. As you can see, beer also is one mellivorous animal. And the one who feeds dung, that is medivorous. The plant juices whatever we have, that plant juices be feeded by mucivorous. Nectar of flower, that is bee and all, they are all nectarovorous insects. As you can see, nut, which are dependent on the nut, they are known as vucivorous. And the feeding on anything, they are known as omnivorous. We are omnivorous type of animals. And the one which are dependent on rice, they are known as orizivorous. As we can see, on the bones, which are dependent and feeds on the bones like a dog, they are ovivorous animals. Next we have ovivorous, means which are dependent on eggs and feed, and they are known as ovivorous. And the sheep also, they are one type of ovivorous one. And the one which are dependent on bread, they are panivorous, and dependent on plants, they are phytivorous one. And the one which are dependent on roots, they are piscivorous, and on the frogs, that is ranivorous animals which are dependent on the frogs. Example, the snakes can be ranivorous. And we have the one which suck blood, that is sanguivorous. Even mosquito is one type of sanguivorous, as well as you can see to the right how leech is sucked from our body. The blood is sucked by the leech. Next we have seminivorous, means which are dependent on seed, they are known as seminivorous. Or next we have during or excrement, that depends here, that is stercovorous one, which are feeding on excrement. Next we have univorous, means only one host or source of food, that is univorous. Feeding on vegetables, they are known as vegetivorous animals, and the feeding on the worms is known as vermivorous animals. So these are the few things which are to be remembered. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. If you want 2100 PDF GK and GS, you can call me on 7666730252 or message me by WhatsApp. Please go through twice or thrice with the pictures, whatever has been given. That is useful for you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.